This is the value of rho HG, rho G H. Okay. So if you simplify this one, so first of all I have cancelled zeros. 6 into 9.8 divided by 8. So 6 into 9.8 divided by 8. Keeping this one as it is and this one also as it is. So it is coming 7.35 to 10 power 4. Right. So 7.35 to 10 power 4 and this one is this one. 61,152. So if we simplify this, so it is coming as 73,500 minus 61,652. Now I am multiplying this one. Okay, now if I do this, so 25 into, so this value if I subtract, how much it is coming is, how much is 12,348. So 12,348 into 25 to 10 power minus 4. So that is, once I multiply 12,348 into 25, we are getting 30,8700. So into 10 power minus 4. 10 power minus 4 means 4 zeros after 1. 4 zeros after 1. So 2 zeros cancel. 3087 by 100. 3087 by 100 you need not do any calculation. Just keep two decimal points here. That means keep a point here from the left to places. So 30.87. So 30.87, 30.8 means you can round figure it for 31. Not exactly 31. So it is approximately equal to 31. Finish. Okay, this one is. Now we go into the multiple choice questions today. So no calculations here. Directly, okay, I am going into multiple choice questions. Okay, now. So I will drop this one now. Okay, I hope you understood this, right? I'll be writing the questions and then we'll discuss the answers after I write the question. If you and 3 or 4 questions, then we will discuss the answers. Okay. So first question what we have is buoyant force is equal to buoyant force. Buoyant force is buoyant force. Force is equal to dash. So if I write integral, okay, options, weight of the body is equal to A, weight of the body, and then A, option B, weight of liquid displaced by the body. See, why I am writing short form, because if I write a complete spelling, I may not get time to write as many more questions as possible. You have to understand that. Okay. Weight of liquid displaced by the body. Weight of liquid displaced by the body. Then option D. I think okay, ma. So you have to please excuse me for my handwriting. I feel my handwriting is not so good. It is the worst maybe also. I don't know. Okay. So adjust this one. Whether you are not able to understand, I hope just you will be catching what I am writing. It is not so new, so neat. Okay. So option D. Option D. C. This is B only. So this should be C. So C I write here. C, option C. Difference of weight of the body. Difference means subtraction. Difference of the weight of the body and the weight of the body and what liquid displaced and the liquid displaced and D num G. Okay, keep thinking by the time I get the answer. Second question, what we have is a boat is containing leaves. Okay, a boat containing leaves is in a pond. Pond. Okay, then when they are thrown into water, level of water will rise. When there is water, when the leaves are available, and the leaves are thrown into the pond, sorry, into the pond, into the pond, James pond, not that James pond, it is pond. Into the pond, the level of water, what happens to the level of water? The choices are water in the pond, dash. Okay. So the choices are remains the same, false, rises, remains the same. B, false, C, rises, D, none of the above, So keep thinking. Then the third question is the body weight. The body weight is W1 in air and W2 in water. W2 in water. In water. The specific gravity of metal of the body is specific gravity of material of the body is that of the body is gas. Eating bracket. Then the next question if we go, sorry, options it is right. Okay, options. A is W1 by W2, B W1 minus W2, W1 minus W2 by W1, C W1 minus W2 by W1, okay. W1 minus W2 by W2 and D is W1 minus W1 by W1 minus W1 minus W. How did you pronounce? How will you pronounce this? How will you pronounce? W. As per whom? As per American accent. We have different accents, no? British accent, American accent, Australian accent, and nowadays very quickly Indian accent will also come. What is that Indian accent? I will tell now. See, suppose how will you pronounce this? As per English, as per any accent, what is this? Walk. It's L letter. As per Indian accent, how will you pronounce? How should you read it? Walk. What is that? Walk. Right. Then similarly, this one. So, as per the rules, you should pronounce this one knowledge. But as per Indian accent, it is knowledge. You can read it as knowledge, no mistake. And the rules they are going to change very quickly. And I don't know whether it is already applicable or not. Okay, what is that? Indian accent. Indian accent is going to come quickly. Don't ask me when. I too don't know. Okay, right. So this is Indian accent. Okay, why should we follow other rules every time? Because our climatic conditions are different. See, some people will be speaking like this. Suppose Europeans, most of the Europeans, why they how do they speak is, suppose okay, right, I'll read this. They don't open the mouth. They don't open the mouth completely. I'll tell the reason for that one now. See, you have to read this one. The boat containing leaves in a pond. When the leaves are thrown into a pond, the level of the water in the pond, what happens is body weight remains the same, falls like this. But Indians, not like that. Why? What is the reason? The reason is, for them the condition, that is the climatic conditions in Europe very, very cold. It will be every time like this what we have now outside. Even very cold than this. This is not cold actually. It is raining actually. But in Europe always the temperature will be around 10 degrees centigrade. How much? 10 degrees centigrade. Means what? Now, do you know how much the temperature will be outside? You will be having your mobiles. You can check that. It is around 20, like that, maybe, or 18 also, maybe sometimes. So, 18 degrees centigrade. So, but when it is just moving down than 18, 17, 16 degrees centigrade means it will be very, very, very cold for us. North India, mostly the North India, when compared to South India, is cold in average. That means they will be having a cold temperatures when compared to South India. Okay, leave it. So Europeans we are thinking. So that tells they are always like this. Means either folding the hands or like this. Why? To have warmth. What is that? Warmth. Warmth means by keeping the hands like this, what happens? We preserve the body temperature of our body with our body. Means with ourselves. So if you open like this, what happens is the amount of heat going out means, I will tell you. Okay, now during winter season, if you see the temperature outside, how much the temperature will be? Around 20 only. But what is the temperature of our body? Internal temperature of our body is how much? 37.4. 36, between that one. Okay, so 36.8 or 37.4, I hope so. 37. So 37 degree inside, 20 degree outside. So which one is hot body? The heat always flows from hot object to cold object. This is the universal law. You would have, I think, experienced this also. When you are drinking hot, hot boost, hot means not that hot. Oh my God. Okay. So hot boost coffee or Bournvita, Horlicks, whatever it is. Okay. Suppose if you are using a steel or metal spoon to stir that one, after some time you will feel this one to be hot. Why? What is the reason? Because your milk along with the boost, Horlicks, Maltova, Bournvita, etc., whatever it is, it was hot when compared to the temperature of this one, not this one, metal spoon. This is marker, okay, right? So when you stir it for some time, the heat would have flowed from that milk to this spoon, not this spoon, okay, right? So this would have become hot. Means here what happened? Heat flowed from hot object to cold object. That is natural. So what you have to understand now, that is during winter season, our human body is hot body, and outside, that means the surroundings is cold body. Cold, surroundings are cold. So what happens? We will lose heat from ourselves to the surroundings. So that is the reason why you feel cold, shivering. Okay, yes or no? Yes. So what happens? What will you do? Either you will fold hands like this, or like this, or you will wear a jerkin, blanket, overcoat, sweater, whatever you call. So what we need to do? It will preserve the heat from not flowing to your body to the outside surrounding. So as usual, when heat is not flowing, see, suppose if you consider these sweaters, wool is somewhat light, and if you see the woolen sweater, there will be pores between those threads. Okay, air will be trapped. Air will be trapped among the threads of that sweater. So that what happens is, air is a very bad conductor of heat. For your kind information, air is a very bad conductor of heat. Sir, outside air is there, no sir. So when we step outside, you said that air is a bad conductor of heat, sir. Outside air is there, sir. That is 20 degrees, sir, or 18 degrees, sir. Why, sir? Yes, of course, it is correct. But it had taken very long time for the entire air to become cool. Okay, the air with you, that means the air trapped inside the sweater which you are wearing did not got cold very quickly. Of course, the air will get cooled, but very long time it will take. Very long time it will take. But here, what you are doing, the air which is present trapped in the threads of that woolen sweater, what you are wearing, it is not so cool. So it will not allow the heat from your body to the surroundings. If you go and stay in the surroundings where the temperature is very cold for a long time, then the air in your sweater will absorb that coldness and then completely the situation will change. I am not thinking about that one. Okay, so you are in a room, suppose like this, and you are wearing a sweater. Okay, of course, first of all, the walls of the room are preventing the passage of cold air into your body, and then even the sweater is once again preventing the passage of cold air from surrounding into your body, and also the passage of heat from your body to the surrounding. This is the reason why you will feel warm when you wear a jerkin or something. Okay, now we are in the conditions. So to preserve their warmth, even if you open your mouth also, the cold will go inside. That is the reason they won't open the mouth and speak. Those who are living in the European countries and also even Russia also, where the temperatures are around 10 to 12 degrees. 10 degrees is very cold actually. Okay, so even the temperature sometimes will go to 5 also, 0 also maybe. Okay, so that is the reason why. So okay, for that fellow, he is not opening the mouth. He is closing the mouth and speaking. Okay, but what about ourselves? We have sunlight for nearly average 8 months among the out of 12 months, as per my knowledge. Okay, at least 7 months. 7 months we have very good daylight, very good sunlight, very good warmth, very good heat energy, very good sun energy, whatever the energy, right? So we will open our mouth and speak very well. Yes or no? Right. Okay. So that is the information what I need to tell. Okay, we'll go to the question now. Okay, the next question is so about this W and all now. So if you go to see software or somewhere, you ask your brothers or cousins or uncles or babas or somebody, those who are doing software or some jobs, even in abroad or somewhere, they are given a training called as accent training. Accent. How to speak some few words I will tell you. So that is first one speak V. V means you have to pronounce it as V. And then W, this is the W. Jet, you will call that jet, no? This is they call it as C, etc. Small things you might be knowing this one already, because some people will be saying this one, James Bond, C, Z. Okay, Zodiac, something. So these are a few alphabets where they will train you and some more pronunciations. Okay, so software or any APO jobs or something abroad. Okay, if you ask them, they'll tell you regarding this. Okay, how do you know something? I have many friends, those who are doing these jobs, and you also might be having. This is not a great thing to have friends like that. Okay, then the fourth question is the weight of the body and the press from the body. If the weight is the weight, W is the weight of the body and the upper on the body and the upper thrust on the body in a liquid or equal in the body. Okay, in a liquid or equal, in a liquid or equal. are equal, then the body dash. So here I will take the right. Then options. If you come to the options, since water, yes, since the water source C just completely immerses just completely immerses in the liquid. And D is the completely lies outside the liquid. Okay, right here, completely lies outside the liquid. D is completely lies outside the liquid. Okay. So first we will discuss the answers here. Okay. Right. So first question, if I have to read, buoyant force is equal to, see, the thing what you know already. What they do in exams is they will make it topple up and down, indirect words or something. So if you do such questions, your mind will get a very strong command upon any kind of questions. Okay, just simply learning is not sufficient. So if you practice, okay, right. So buoyancy force is equal to, you know already what is buoyancy force. So very easily you can answer this question. It is nothing but okay. Let us see the options. Weight of the body. No, it is not the weight of the body. Then the weight of liquid displaced by the body. Difference of the weight of the body and the liquid displaced under none. So very easily weight of what? What is buoyancy force? Weight of the liquid displaced by the body. So that means option B you have to write. Okay. Right, then come to the next question. A boat containing leaves. So leaves very less in weight. So they will be mostly floating in the water. So whether if you keep in the boat or if you throw in the river, there is no much difference. So that's why seeing the question. You can answer, there is nothing but here is option A. So when the leaves are thrown into water from the boat, so the level of water in the pond is remains the same. Okay. Now coming to this one, very important. So a body weight is W1 in the air and W2 in water. So very clearly you can understand its weight in air only will be more compared to the weight in water. So when it is once it is in the water, what happens? It loses. It appears to lose, or there is an apparent loss of weight. Apparent loss means false loss. False loss means what? This false. Again, because actually, what I hope is you are very talented. You will be having more knowledge than me. Not only than me, than anybody or any of the teacher teaching you, because you belong to this generation. Even if you may not believe this is true actually. Okay. Because one small example I will tell. I am also having a mobile phone. So in this mobile phone, what to do? You know many more options than me. That itself is enough. Okay. So like that, I can quote number of examples. Of course, I will say once again, I am having more IQ than my father. My father having more IQ than his father. That is the sequence. Okay. Right. So as you have more knowledge, so you may think some other spelling for false. Not that one. This spelling only. What I am speaking is okay. So apparent loss of weight means false loss. So false loss, why we are saying? Because as it is immersed in the liquid only, it is appearing to be losing the weight. It is appearing to be losing the weight, but not actually it is losing the weight. Okay. So that is due to what? That is due to the buoyancy force. Buoyancy force means what? The weight of the liquid. Okay. The weight of the volume of the liquid displaced. Weight of the volume of the liquid displaced. Yes or no? So that is what is clear here now. So what is that? What is that? Okay. That is not okay, right. So in the air it is W1. In water it is W2. So what is happening here? Specific gravity, very nice word. So specific gravity is what? Whether if I have told in the earlier class while explaining or not, I don't remember. But specific gravity is nothing but a relative density only. Okay, right. So relative density, how can we calculate? We have two formula: density of a substance by density of water. Otherwise, if only weights, in terms of weights, if you have to speak, in terms of weights, if you have to speak, then what? Weight of the object in A is by weight of the volume of water it displaced. Means what? Weight of volume of water it displaced means weight of it's the last weight. Yes, sir? So that means here what? Among the signs what you have? This is the weight of the body in the air. Then this is W1 minus W2. We give you the weight of volume of the body, volume of the water displaced. Volume of the water displaced. Yes or no? Right. So here weight of the body by weight of the volume of the water or liquid displaced. Okay. So you need not see all the choices. Directly come here. So this is option D. Okay. Then coming to the next question. If the weight of the body and the upthrust from the body in the liquid are equal, that is the body, what happens? Very nice question. Why I am saying very nice question means most of the people think that it will float. Of course it will float, but how will it float? How will it float is important. Okay, suppose see, okay, right? This is the container and this is the level of the liquid. Then if this is the condition, okay, weight of the body and upthrust on the body are equal means what happens is it floats like this. It floats like this. Means it immerses, it will just completely immerse in the liquid, but not going down. This is what you have to note, my dear students. Right? This one. So if little bit of this weight is dominating, then it will go down. Okay, if it is equal, it will float like this. Okay, right. So now, if little bit of upthrust is comparatively more means it will start floating upward. Okay, otherwise it will float like this. This is the meaning of just immersed in the liquid. What is that? Where is that? Just completely immerses in the liquid. Just completely immerses in the liquid means this one. Just completely immerses in the liquid. This is the case. Understood? Understood? Right. So what is the choice? Option C. What is that? Option C. Okay, man. So some more questions I'll write. Very quickly I'll run the board now. Try to follow me. Follow me. Follow me. Are you following? Right. Very good. If you are following, then it is very good. If you are not following, then God has to save you, help you. This देश में गंगा बहता है. What बहता है? Ganga, Jamuna, Saraswati. There are many rivers now. Okay, now do you know only two rivers in India? They flow from what? So India, east, west, north, south. They flow from east to west. Yes, east to west. East, west. Okay. So on eastern side, what is there? Bengal. West, what is the this one? Arabian Ocean. Arabian Sea. Right. So only two rivers are there. What are the rivers? You remember because social studies. Okay. So answer is Narmada and Tapti. Narmada and Tapati are the only two rivers which flow like this. All the remaining rivers flow like this. Means they start somewhere in the Himalaya. Okay, not this one. Okay. Right. So originating from Himalayas and the other they mixing this ocean. Okay. Right. So next question, what we have is okay, but very quickly, just somewhat weekend. That's why I am trying to make little bit Interesting. That's all. So question number 5. Question number 5. I hope so. The body is floating in a liquid. Body is floating in a liquid. Weight of the body is C. Weight of the body is weight of the body is dash. Okay, see, known matter only how it is being twisted. You can observe. Okay, right. So options more than weight of the body. More than weight of the body. Weight of the body. More than weight of the body. Option B. So option B is equal to weight of the equal to weight of liquid displaced by the body. So by this time we have get to the answer. By the time we are getting two choices, less than the weight of the body 0. Less than the weight of the body. Less than the weight of the body. Less than the weight of the body. And finally option D is 0. Okay, next question. Next question is okay, here from here we start assertion reason. Okay, assertion and reason type. Okay, reason type. So when I am writing assertion reason type, I should write this one also. So first one, okay, option A means both A and R are true, and R is correct explanation of R is correct explanation of A. Okay. Then if you come to option B, both A and R are true, and R is not correct explanation. Correct explanation of A. Okay. A means assertion here. This is assertion. Okay. Then C. A true. Sorry, R false. A true. Okay. A true and R is false. Okay. Right. A true. R false. Then automatically D option is A false. The R true. True. Okay, man. So you have to remember this, and now we will go into the question. We will go question that is number 6. Number 6. Okay, continue the number. Continuing number. Okay, assertion is Pascal's law is working principle of hydraulic lift. Pascal's law is working principle of hydraulic lift. Okay. Then reason. What do we have? Reason is very nice question actually. Pressure is equal to thrust per unit area. Pressure is equal to thrust per unit area. Pressure equal to thrust per unit area. This much only. Okay. Now we have to judge whether option A, B, C. Which one is correct among this? Okay, ma. So next question is we have C. So next question I am writing very quickly. Okay. Assertion. Hydrostatic pressure is quantity. Hydrostatic pressure means what? The static pressure in a liquid. Because the liquid is not flowing. The pressure in a liquid which is at rest is called as hydrostatic pressure in a liquid. Otherwise, it is the dynamic pressure of the liquid. Dynamic means it is moving. the liquid should be moving. For example, a river is moving. The pressure inside a moving river is not as same as the pressure inside a pond or lake or well, which is where the water is at rest. Understood? That is the meaning of hydrostatic pressure. Hydrostatic pressure is vector quantity. Okay, now I'll keep the bracket here. Then reason is, what is the reason here? Pressure is put divided by area and pressure is force divided by area and what? And force is vector quantity and force is a vector. Of course, this we know, everybody knows. Force is a vector quantity. So, if we have to judge the answers for this now, very quickly we will try. So, from the question. So, from this question we will start. Yes or no? So, a body is floating in the liquid, weight of the body is. So, weight of the body is means what here? When it is immersed, that means the situation where the body is in the liquid or floating on the liquid. So, what is the weight of that body which is floating on that liquid? That is what he is asking. Okay, right. So, option A, more than the weight of the body means here. What does this choice? How should you understand the choice here? Sir, what are more than weight of the body? What is that one? That is nothing but what he is saying is when it is floating, actually this choice meaning I am saying meaning of this one is its weight when it is in air is more when it is floating. Is it correct? No. So that is the meaning of more than weight of the body. What is the question? The body floating in the liquid, weight of the body is. The body floating in the liquid, weight of the body is the first option. Then coming to the second one, equal to weight of liquid displaced. Then third option, less than the weight of the body. Of course, less than the weight of the body is correct only, but more appropriate answer. See, suppose if you are given a question like, what is the value of acceleration due to gravity of Earth? Okay, acceleration due to gravity means small g. Small g value, you know that is 9.8 meter per second square. So, as per the choice, you have to answer. Suppose if it is given in the choice itself. Okay, what is the question? The value of acceleration due to gravity of Earth is small g equal to option A 10 meter per second square, option B 9.8 meter per second square, option C 200 meter per second square, option D I don't know. Yes or no? Option D is I don't know. Okay. So if there are options like this, so for which choice we will go? In the problem for our convenience, we will round figure 9.8 into 10. Okay. For our convenience. But what is the actual value? Of course. Okay. You will use that one also. In the choices, when 9.8 meter per second square is given, will you go for 10? Will you go for 10 meter per second square? This is what here also. So that is what you have to judge very wisely. What is that? You judge wisely. Wisely. Okay, wisely. Is the spelling correct, na? If the spelling is wrong, please excuse me. So you have to judge wisely. Nowadays, the judges are not judging wisely. If you see the situation in Andhra Pradesh now, means whether you are following the news or not, I don't know. So a big issue is going on regarding the High Court judges judgment whatever. Okay, we are nothing concerned with that one. Okay, as you are students, as I am okay teacher. Okay, so we are very least bothered about this one. That's why India is like this actually. Okay, actually why India is like this means basically here the common people or the people or students or whoever whatever may be, they are not allowed to know about politics. Suppose you ask something in your house, hey, what for you, man? Why about politics for you? Do mind your business. What is our business? Our business is only studying, eating, sleeping, playing, running, that's all. So don't bother about what is happening around. That is the main problem. As nobody is questioning, the politics have become like this. There are many countries where people they involve into direct politics. Yes or no? Mostly European countries. Okay, whatever. So wisely. So regarding some judgment, the issue is going on, judges and all. So you have to judge what? Okay, come to our topic now. So wisely, you have wise means what? Wisdom, knowledge. What is the difference between knowledge and wisdom? You know yourself. Okay, right. You have to judge wisely. So what is the answer here? More than weight of the body, more equal to the weight of the liquid displaced by the body. Equal to the weight of the liquid displaced by the body. So I go with B. Okay, the option B is correct. Okay, then less than on this one also wrong. Okay, come to the assertion result. So assertion result. Okay, option A, option B, option C, option D. Okay, coming to this is Carnot's law is working principle. So hydraulic. If you hear the word hydraulic, you go for Carnot's law. I told you. Okay, right. Then coming to next one. Pressure is equal to thrust per unit. Thrust means thrust, force, both are same. Weight, these are all equivalent words. Equivalent means what? Having same meaning. Words having same meaning. In physics, you should be little bit proficient in English. Otherwise, you are going to struggle in your future. See, why generally people feel physics is difficult? First thing, they don't understand. They don't understand what is asked there actually. That's the problem. Okay. As it is in English, most, I don't say everybody, man. So this is not applicable for everybody. I am not saying that all the students are not able. No. Most of the students, because they neglect the language. See, in the flow, what the people are doing is they know more, they learn more these good subjects like botany or science, math, physics, etc. But the real beauty is in the languages. The real beauty is of the schooling, of the school education, is lies in the languages, because there only you have very good stories, very good models, etc., etc., etc. So mostly, if you ask regarding me, I was very fascinated in my school days regarding language, means Telugu, Hindi, English, etc. Because I find the stories in them, and mostly human psychology, even the elders also, they like stories. If somebody tells story, they will listen very interestingly. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, it is. I hope so. So, as there are stories, I was very much fascinated with that one during my school days. I don't know about you, because you are 2K generation kids, no? So everything is speed, fast. So, okay, what is that one? Born fast, growing up fast, getting diseases also fast, and dying also fast. Why I am saying dying fast means most of the students, see, not all I am saying, they are very fascinated with the bikes. Bikes, they go, they drive rash, they commit accident. So during accidents, God is there. If God saves them, they will be in the life. Otherwise, see, they are not knowing the value of the life. You drive bike, okay, no problem. You experience the kick in driving. Of course, nobody is saying that is wrong, but you have to be careful, because it is your life. And life is precious. Precious means very valuable. Valuable means viluvainadi. In Telugu, I know viluvainadi. But you take care of yourself while driving bikes. I know you will be driving bikes. I know. Okay. Right. So, okay, unnecessarily deviated. Okay. So this is the hydrostatic pressure is a vector from okay. This one. Pressure is equal to thrust per unit. So thrust, force, weight. These are all the words having equal meaning.